This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to join together the antler branches for my deer amigurumi pattern. If you haven't already, crochet the short branch and fasten off, leaving a tail of about 8 inches. Next, crochet rounds 1 through 7 of the long branch and do not fasten off. Grab your short antler branch and insert your hook into the first stitch of the last round on the short branch. With your working yarn, single crochet. Now single crochet in each of the remaining stitches on the short branch. Without fastening off, single crochet in each stitch around on the long branch. Insert your stitch marker into the final stitch. Now you have one continuous round along the top of your antler branches, and you're set to start round 8. Once you've completed your antler, you'll notice there's a gap where one branch meets the other. Using the tail from the short branch and a yarn needle, close up the hole. Secure with a knot and hide the tail inside the antler. Stuff your antler and it will be ready to attach to the head at a later step. Thanks for watching.